So, I have my friends named Bella and Brianna doing a music video outside. In the rain. That's why I'm wearing a jacket. So yeah, let's do this. I'm almost outside. So yeah. Listening to Beyblades.
You have to, are we on YouTube right now?
Yes.
No!
You guys don't want to be famous?
We are not on YouTube right now.
Well, I'm putting you on YouTube.
How do you
do it? Have you done before on your tablet? Yes.
Are you really doing this? Because I'm not sure.
I am. You have to turn it into the police.
Yeah, and how are you going to put it on YouTube?
I see inappropriate things on YouTube. Like,
what was that for? Well, it was for because you see inappropriate things on YouTube. And this is just because I want to.
Oh.
Stop being mean.
Stop being a baby.
Ooh, we should do like a movie like this. Okay, right now. You know we're on YouTube right now. Yeah, we could do it.
I thought you guys were going to sing outside and do it.
We are not singing.
Okay.
I hate singing in front of people.
Scratch that, people. It's
That's
not
time you
singing
sing in front of me. Yeah, I only sing in front of Rihanna. Because Rihanna. Yeah, so sing, Rihanna, sing!
Okay, you're going to do it with me.
Yeah, I am.
I'm kidding.
Sing.
Come on, I'll post this private so nobody can see this.
No, post it on real YouTube.
Yeah, it's going to be on YouTube, but it's going to be private so I can...
Private?
Yes, private.
No, I don't really care. Just do whatever.
Okay, then do it. Let's go.
Okay, we're going to start off like talking now.
Okay, can you do this already? So boring. Boring. I'm going to get no subscribers, guys. So, yeah.
She's out of tune.
Can you speak louder, please?
I told you. Sorry. She has a bad tune, I told you. Go. No. Yeah, keep going. She has a bad tune. Okay, I forget the rest.
How long was it? She's going to be on YouTube.
Oh my god. You don't even know it.
Oh.
That was for I want to.
Okay, stop being
This is because you're stupid. And oh my gosh, hello.
because you're an...
That's because you're an idiot.